Hello everyone, Irish Guy the Best here, and I found this package in the mail, and I'm going to open it. As you can see, Nepal already arrived, so it will be Singapore or Kazakhstan. Okay, I'm about to open this. Okay, as you can see, I've got the package right here. I'm going to open it if I can. Just opened it, and I've got it. You can see, I can feel that this package is Singapore. Okay, let's open it now. Let's cut to the part where it's open, so let's look inside, shall we? Welcome Singapore to the gang. What voice is this gonna be? Hey guys. Shout out to Drew Durnall.